Lena always felt like she had no money. When she got paid, the money was gone almost right away. It went to rent, food, and bills. She dreamed of renting her own nice apartment, but it felt impossible. One day, she felt very sad about it. She went to see her kind older neighbor, Mrs. Gable. "I can never save any money," Lena said. "I don't know how to start." Mrs. Gable smiled. She took Lena to her kitchen and showed her 3 jars. Each jar had a label. One said for emergencies, another said for fun, the last one said for peace. "This is my secret," Mrs. Gable said, pointing to the jars. "It's how I sleep well at night." She gave Lena an empty jar. "Write your dream on this," she said. Lena wrote "my new apartment" on a piece of paper and stuck it on the jar. It looked very empty. "Now," said Mrs. Gable, "tonight put just $1 in it." $1? Lena asked. "That won't do anything." "It's not about the money," Mrs. Gable said. "It's about the action. It's about making a promise to yourself. Start small." That night, Lena put $1 in the jar. It was a small thing, but it made her feel a little proud. The next day, she made coffee at home instead of buying it. She put the money she saved into the jar. It made a nice clink sound. She started making her lunch at home too. The clink of the money going in felt better than buying lunch. She began to see choices differently. Did she want a pizza tonight? Or did she want to put that money in her jar for her future apartment? Most times, she chose the jar. The clink became her favorite sound. Weeks and months passed. The jar got full, so she moved the money to a bank account. She watched the number get bigger and bigger. Then her car broke. It needed a repair. The old Lena would have cried because she had no money. The new Lena took money from her savings jar and paid for it. It was okay. She didn't need to worry. She had saved for a problem just like this. Almost 2 years after she started, Lena looked at her bank account. She added up all her savings. She had done it. She had enough money for her new apartment. She ran to Mrs. Gable's house to tell her the good news. Mrs. Gable gave her a big hug. "I knew you could do it," she said. Lena learned something important. Saving money isn't about saying no to everything you want now. It is about saying yes to your biggest dreams later. You don't need to start big. You just need to start. A big dream is built $1, one clink at a time.